Tennessee guys, gotta check them out. Gotta check them out. What's up guys, Ibibot here, and today is another unboxing video. Another month, another video, huh? I've been uploading some shorts recently, so if you haven't seen them, feel free to check those out in the shorts section of my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this lovely camera, the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the adventure combo, so it comes with the camera, obviously, tripod, 3 batteries. It comes with a battery charging case, and it also comes with like the case for the actual camera. So like, you know how the GoPro has a media mod case, kind of like that. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna unbox it. Yeah, like I said, you know, I have been uploading shorts recently. I need to keep, luckily, got one in my pocket. Way! I have been uploading some shorts on my channel, and I have been streaming as well. So you know, if you're not tuning in, then I don't know what the hell you're doing. Not that my streams are entertaining anyway, but I've uploaded some shorts tasting like Mr. Beast's chocolate. I've also done a reaction to like my channel trailer, kinda, and that's about it really. It has 2 parts, so one side is the actual camera, the other side is the accessories. So we're going to take out the accessories. See what we got. Oh, it's a bit of silica gel. Chuck that away. We don't need that. Unless you're going to eat it. We have also a USB-C to USB-C cable. So I imagine that's for charging the camera or any of that shabam. Ah, this is a tripod now. Lovely. Love to see that as well. And yes, I'm going to put all of them here just so you guys can see that in the background too. And we've got the charging case. Let's have a gander at this. So this looks like an AirPods case, but only 3 times the size. So I'm assuming you press this, and they turn on and they start charging, I guess. And hold it to turn off, I think. Yeah, they sort of click into place. Sort of click into place. It's charging, so we'll leave this here next to Master Chief. There, mate. There is the camera. We also have the tripod. So we'll take a look at that for a quick sec. So this looks like my GoPro one actually. It looks well packaged. Well packaged. Oh, texture looks nice. Feels nice. Oh. Wow. It's not really a turning lock thing. I think it's because it kinda clicks into place. I think this is good. This is really long. It's like a selfie stick sort of thing. We have 2 thumb screws. It's always nice to have a spare thumb screw. And then another thing we have here is we've got a sticky mount. That's all good. That's good. We got another magnetic mount. I think. Shit. We got a magnetic mount, so it can. So like this. Sticks on there. Pretty dope, right? So yeah, we'll put these to the side as well. I would unpack these, but I don't want to take out something that I'm not going to use, so that's why I've just left it there. Here we go. This is the camera. Nicely, you know, I actually love how they've packaged everything properly. The places that they needed to put stickers on, they put them on plastic, they put them on, you know, and the way that they've packaged stuff is just so neat and secure. Right. Wow. Could already see all the dust going on there. Holy shit. Nice LCD screen. Nice power button. Nice. What is the note there? Latch to charge it. So what's this one then? Goes up. Battery. It doesn't look like you can open it like that. Like, you know, with the GoPro, it's obvious that, you know, there's the latch to use, there's how you open it. This one, it doesn't. But a nice LCD screen at the front as well. That's one of the main reasons why I got this one as well, so I could see, like, if I'm vlogging somewhere or stuff, I can see that. Or if I'm here and I need to make sure the thing is good, then I can see that. So also got a speaker as well. The GoPro doesn't even have a speaker. Right, I'm gonna do this once. All of you people who have an obsession over this, I'm doing it for you guys. I don't know if you heard any of that. probably didn't. Let's get our nice battery pack out here. I like the battery pack, and I like how it's all inclusive, you know. That's in there. Obviously we don't have an SD card in there because I'm using it, but it's a one tap, you don't hold it. Okay, so now it's asked me, now it's asked me what language I want. I want to put English. The screen is so responsive. It's actually responsive. Tap that, that's your battery, 54%. No SD card in there, no SD card. I like the sounds though. Just photo, video, slow motion, time lapse. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna take a picture of what it looks like, or a video actually. So you can see, there I am. Obviously the GoPro Hero 8 Black underneath, and the Osmo Action 4 up there. Let me just turn this bright light off. There you go, so you can actually see. But yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty neat. One thing I have to say is that these are like not flimsy. They don't feel cheap. They feel like the most premium thing you can ever get, really. I know, like, you know, it's convenient, but I'm not really a big fan of that because you can actually break it as well. But you know, if you do it properly, yeah, it's fine. Done it. So I put it in there, and you just snap it like that, and there you go. That's it. It feels just like a GoPro, but it feels just so much better. It's more responsive. You got more of a screen. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it somewhat, leave a like, subscribe for more videos. I'll probably make it short with me trying to actually mount this thing. Also, I also stream. I'm gonna be streaming every day now. See you guys in the next one.